Are you still using VS Code? Instead, let's try Project IDX, which we found on Google. This is a web-based development workspace. There is no need to download anything. It has templates in several categories like web backend, mobile, database. We can easily create the workspace by using the template we want. It is possible because when it is created, the SDK environment will be created. If we want, we can even import a reference from GitHub. So I am creating a Flutter app here. In this way, after selecting Flutter and giving the name of the workspace will be finalized beautifully with this tool. The interface is the same as VS Code. Even web and mobile emulators are shown. Not only that, we can also code with Gemini AI Assistant. Another feature of this is that several developers can code in the same codebase at the same time. In other words, that person will have access to the entire file system of your workspace. That's why you need to consider sensitive things like private keys and access tokens. Are there any limits in this? Yes. In this, one person can only create one workspace. But if you have a Google developer profile, you can create even 5 workspaces. So you should try this IDX for one of your projects.